guys, this is Wolf Chicken, and today I am doing a mail time video. So I'm gonna see what I got, and I got not many because if I had more subscribers, I'd probably get more. But I'm not complaining. Let's go to Jam Township just for a minute to see if anyone else wants to gift me, just to see, cause you know you guys might be want to be a little bit more interested. Okay. Gift me doing mail time. I'll spare you the horrible agony of me waiting, so yeah, I'll just pause it really quick so you guys don't have to hear the horrible agony of me waiting. Okay guys, so we got 3 more gifts. Not sure how I managed to do that, but you know, whatever. Okay guys, so now is the moment of truth. I am opening this. How do you gift? Hold on guys, I gotta tell. Okay guys, never mind. More agony, hold on. Hello guys, I am finally back, and I finally did not get any more stuff. I know, I'm sorry, but it took me so long and I didn't get anything. Okay, well, let's see what we got. Okay, so we got from Marina32. Thank you, Marina. I'm going to buddy you. Okay, never mind. Let's see what I got from this. I got a seal plushie. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, it's pretty cool. She probably got that from the claw machine. Okay, this is from Pumpkin Pie 33. I'll add you. Let's see what I got. Okay. It's pretty bad, no offense. This is from Ritastic, and I got 2 things from her. She's not. Oh, she is. Okay. Oh! What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, please give me back. Thanks. Rare leaf necklace. Oh, cool. Thank you. And this is also from Ritastic. Oh my gosh. Rare username. Nice username. Do you love Animal Jam? Yes, I do. This is from Bunny Love. Bunny Love? Thank you, Bunny Love. I will friend you. Rare. Oh my gosh. Rares. Yes. Okay, I'll close my eyes before I open this. Rares. Okay. A pillow. You really wasted my chances there. I'm sorry. I'm going to discard this. And this is a bunch of stuff that I got. No offense, kind of disappointing. I mean, oh my gosh, some of the stuff was pretty good, but just 1 out of 6. Why do I have 60 messages? Oh my gosh, my entire thing is spamming and I'm not even clicking. Is it like recording this even? Oh my gosh. Cloudy seal. Come on. Oh, that took a while. Okay, let's see what these look like. Okay, so the first thing I think I'm going to try on is the sparkly head bow. That is adorable. I do like that a lot. Okay, so this is, oh, that looks really cool. Let's see this rare leaf necklace. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm going to make my colors different so that you guys can see it. Let's make it purple. Light blue. Light blue. It's a good color. I'll take off everything so that, oh, whoops. Do I want to delete anything? Yes, I do. Gingerbread wings, this, bat wings. No, I have to stay a spinning boy. Okay, there we go. Okay, I didn't actually mean to click that, but now I'm up here, so. Oh my god. This is so laggy. Okay, There we go. Okay, for a hat, I don't have any hats on. Do I have anything on my neck? No, okay. I have something on. I know I do. See my mouse right here? It's insane. Let's turn this off. Oh, that looks better. Oh well, okay. Oh, this is crazy looking. Oh, but the lag. Why? Why is the lag so bad? I'm gonna take all this off so that I can actually show you what my character looks like. Okay, that's much better. Okay, let's check this out now that everything is good. Okay, so here's the rare sparkly head bow. I just don't know what's wrong with these. I'm not sure why it goes on your face instead of your head. I do like it though, thank you. I can't remember who gave that to me. Also, I love this rare horn helmet. This is awesome looking. And then I have this rare leaf necklace. Finally, oh my gosh. That looks amazing. I am definitely wearing this. It'd be nice if it was black. That would be really nice. But I still appreciate it. It's very nice. I think it will look very fitting if my character looks like this. Or maybe if this is gray and then this is black. Or maybe I can keep it dark blue. Like the same color as it, almost. Is that the same color? This is a lot closer. Okay. Should we keep it like this or like this? I think I kind of like it like that. Okay. Oh, this looks really cool. Look at that. Look at that. That is so cool looking. Wow. Okay, wow, I'm only 7 minutes in, and I've been waiting that entire time. Wow. Okay. Let's see what people think of my look. Do you guys like it? No? Do you like it? Should I change it? I'm going to change the color of this because I feel like if it was a different color, it'd look even cooler. It does look pretty cool. Oh gosh. What does it say? Mini art gallery. That's mini. See, people think that they can just be like, please trade me this, and people will give it to them. That's not how life works. Oh, that's actually my friend. She's standing on everyone's face. Okay. Does this new jammer have anything? No. Kittens are cool. Okay. They're adorable. This looks exact. That's weird, because I've seen that exact name, and I think I have a pet that's named that. Weird. Joker Phantom. It's a pretty good name. Okay, what does this person have? So... No. What? Who got brown and pink top hat? Say, my member expires tomorrow. Don't trust people that say that. They don't really mean it. I didn't realize until now how slouched I am. I really really want this.